Hi there, and welcome to Portico Healthnet's guide to reporting income on the MNsure application. If you've recently lost a job and need to apply for health insurance, you can follow the steps in these slides to accurately complete the income section of your MNsure application. Remember that it's important to accurately report both current and projected annual income on the MNsure application in order to make sure that it gets processed correctly. This guide is for educational purposes only. Please call Portico at 651-489-2273 if you have questions about your specific situation. So we're going to walk through an example together to understand how to report income on the MNsure application. So Maria here was working at a local restaurant but was laid off on March 15th. She has no income at this time. Her last pay stub reflects year-to-date gross income of $8,500, and she applies through MNsure for health insurance on April 1st. So step one is going to be to provide information about Maria's current income. After completing the applicant details and household information sections, the application asks, does Maria have any income? Maria will answer no to this question because she doesn't have any income in the month of April. Click Next. Step two will be to provide some additional income details. So the MNsure application will ask, did Maria stop working in the last 6 months? Or did Maria's hours decrease, or was his or her salary reduced within the last 6 months? Sometimes only the second question is asked. Maria would answer yes to both questions. Step three will be to provide information about Maria's annual income. The MNsure application will automatically use what Maria entered for her current income, which is $0, to project her annual income for the entire calendar year. Therefore, the application states, based on the information you've provided, the projected annual income for Maria is $0. However, since Maria was working from January 1st to March 15th, 2020, and earned $8,500 gross income during that time, when the MNsure application asks, is this what you expect Maria's annual income to be? Maria will answer no. Note that an individual's gross income can often be found on the last pay stub they received before being laid off, and we'll see an example of that in 2 slides. The application will populate a follow-up question that asks, what do you expect Maria's projected annual income to be? Maria will enter $8,500 in this field. And here's an example for how to find year-to-date gross income on a pay stub. So you'll see in the example below that you would want to locate the year-to-date column of the pay stub as well as the gross pay row. And this will show you what your year-to-date gross income was on the pay stub. It's important to report gross pay and not net pay on the MNsure application. If you start receiving unemployment benefits, you should contact your servicing agency to report any income changes, which would include receiving unemployment benefits. If you're approved for medical assistance, your servicing agency will be your county of residence. And if you have any questions about how to contact your servicing agency, you can call Portico Healthnet. So in summary, step one of this process will be to report your current income, and remember that's gross income, not take-home or net pay. You're going to adjust your annual income amount to show what you expect to earn in gross income for 2020. And if you have any changes in income, including unemployment benefits or starting a new job, report those changes by calling your servicing agency. Please contact Portico Healthnet if you need assistance completing an application, reporting changes, or if you have any other questions. Our phone number is 651-489-2273, and our website is www.porticohealthnet.org. Thank you.